garden was here when I came. I started doing a box a little at a time, and I planted, and I got my progress. It growing good, so I go with the other box. From then on, every year I do it for the community.
My name is Johnnie Hubbard.
Rosita Dams.
Gabriela Estrada.
My name is Sister Shirley.
Denise Dodson.
John Malonis.
Gabrielle Patterson.
I'm the associate pastor of this church, also the CEO of Emmanuel Arms Community Incorporation. We have this the food program with the food bank. We have this garden. We have our National Night Out. We served 13,000 people last year.
I am a program manager with Sustainable Solano, and Sustainable Solano is a nonprofit working here in Solano County. Last year, like a year and a half ago, my organization got a grant to do gardens in different parts of Solano County. I was tasked to do a garden in the church, an apartment complex, a school, and a private residence.
I belong to Emmanuel Temple Apostolic Church, and I just thought it's really fabulous that they have this community garden. I'm from Arizona, so when I arrived here and saw the garden, I was like, wow. And when they said it's for everybody in the community, that was a double wow.
So we're cutting off pieces of t-shirt and just basically just securing it to the tree, to the fence line in different areas. And then we're going to go back after we've done this and tighten it up a little bit. The idea of using t-shirt is that it has some flex to it so that the tree can move and grow. You can see that some of these knots are a little tight, but we're going to loosen some of them a little bit as we go on to give the tree a little bit of chance to grow without being choked by the t-shirts.
My name is Denise Dodson, and I am a master gardener with the Contra Costa County program. I met Johnnie in Martinez at the VA campus. He was participating in an outpatient program there. Johnnie was one of these individuals who just stood up and had so many questions that we never quite had the full answers to. So we would research in between sessions and come back, and he had more ideas about how he wanted to take what he was learning and not only introduce it to other vets, but to do things in the community with gardening knowledge and education and sort of bring that joy that was filling him up to others.
When I'm in the garden, I feel, did I do it right? When I'm in the garden, I feel peace. I feel like I'm part of the earth. I feel freedom.
The ability for plants to bring people together is what I like about this garden, what I admire about it. As you can see, we have people from all over the place, from all over the county, from the church, right? And so I think that's what excites me about it.
When I'm in the garden, I feel free. I feel like, of course, that God has helped us to do these things, to make it, to help Him to keep people healthy. And I feel like, I'm in another place. I feel like I'm somewhere on the islands when I'm in a garden. You go somewhere to a jungle or something, and it feels fresh to just pick a fruit off or a vegetable. And you're picking it from nature. You don't have to worry about going to the store and wonder where it's coming from and how long it's been on a truck. So when I come to the garden, I feel free. I feel like, there's no other place like this.
It has been a dream of mine for many years for this to happen. My husband founded this church in 1968, and so he went on to be with the Lord, but this is just a dream. So I do, and I thank God for Bishop Bryan Harris, my son in the gospel, who carried this on. So it is a blessing. It's wonderful to help the community, to work with the community. It is a blessing.